Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another box from Worthy Flavors, and just to give you the quick rundown on this, if you haven't watched my videos before, Worthy Flavors is a company out of Florida that sends you a box of produce as often as you want. You can choose every week or every other week. I do every other week. And then on the other weeks, I get Misfits Market, Imperfect Foods, Farm Box Direct, sometimes Greenfield Farms, which is also a great company, similar to Worthy Flavors, but they don't offer fruit the way that Worthy Flavors does. Now, this is the all organic box. There is only one size for this box, and it is $39.95. This box I did get for free, but it's not sponsored by Worthy Flavors. I got this for free because some of you guys used my link that's in the description down below to try Worthy Flavors, and they were not keeping track of how many people I referred. So when I asked them about it, they said, your next few boxes are on us. We know that you sent us a lot of people. So I hope some of you have gotten a discount. I think it's 20% off your first box. I hope some of you have gotten that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've tried Worthy Flavors, if you like them, and if you got my discount too. So let's get this box open. It's a complete surprise. I have no idea what's in here. Let's find out what's inside. This tells me what's in here, and you guys know I don't want to look at it, so I'm going to put it over here, face down, and I'll look at it if I need to. Oh, it looks like we have more of those giant mangoes from Bee Haven Farm in Redland, Florida, and it also says Florida Organic Calabaza. Calabaza? How do you say that? Let me know. Leave me a comment. From Warden Farms in Punta Gorda, Florida. They specialize in fresh, local, sustainable, organic vegetables. Calabaza can be used as a substitute in recipes calling for acorn squash or butternut squash. So I guess it's a squash-like vegetable. And they're asking us to share our calabaza creations on Facebook or Instagram. Well, let's see what's in here because now I'm super curious. And this is Let Us Beat the Heat. You'll notice some packaging changes. And we noticed some of those last time. They're reminding me that I can refer you, and we just talked about that, so I won't go over it again. Remember, there's that link in the description down below. And this is about their water bottles, which they use instead of ice packs. And Veganese pizza recipe. It smells like basil. We got some basil last time. Maybe we'll have some basil this time. It's nicely organized, nicely packaged. So we have some basil. Oh, it smells so good. And I actually did use all of the basil that I got last time. It's so fresh. I'm gonna wrap this up nicely, but guys, this is some amazing looking basil. Last year, we actually grew basil, but this year, we haven't been growing much. We're not home as much as we were last year. And then we've got, this looks like romaine. Let's take it out of this bag. This is some really nice looking romaine. Now, somebody left a comment. I'm sorry, I forget your name, but I remember your comment. You left me a comment that you got some stuff from Worthy Flavors that didn't look so great. I hope you got that sorted out and that you've tried them again and didn't experience that again. This looks amazing, guys. Beautiful lettuce. And this comes in a bag that says C&B Farms, and C&B Farms is the founding farm that founded Worthy Flavors. We've got some broccoli. And this looks a little yellow on top. A little bit. We experienced that too. I mean, it's not bad. Can you see that? It's not terrible. Somebody asked me because we have the same thing with Greenfield Farms. No, it's not spoiled. It's not like slimy, yellow, and disgusting. It's just slightly yellow. It's fine. You just use that right away. Not a big deal. Oh, there's a lot of broccoli in here. More broccoli. They must have too much broccoli at C&B Farms. Ooh. This is a really nice looking tomato over here. Over here, it's a little smushed. Can you guys see that? It looks like that must have happened in transport, but I mean, it was a really nice looking tomato. I don't think that's really the fault of Worthy Flavors, unfortunately. I think that's kind of what happens sometimes with UPS. Let's see, this is another one. This one's great. Wow, look at that tomato. Really nice looking tomato. And this must be that calabaza. That is this. So it's a squash like vegetable, and this should be interesting. We're gonna have to do something with this. And this is from Warden Farms in Punta Gorda, Florida. Have you ever had this before? Let me know. Leave me a comment, let me know. Ooh, this is another mango, wow. So we've got 2 exotic vegetables. Well, 1 exotic fruit, 1 exotic vegetable. This is a calabaza, and this is a mango. This is a beautiful mango. It's not as giant as the mangoes we got last time, but it's very pretty and in great condition. And another one of those. So we've got 2 of these beautiful looking mangoes. Fantastic. That happens sometimes. Wow, I got it all set up where I wanted it to be, and now it's not there. Okay, I'm back. The camera fell. That's why we use a GoPro, because it fits in my little corner in my kitchen, and when it falls down, nothing bad happens. Oh, the joy of being a YouTuber. Okay, so it looks like we have, instead of 4 water bottles, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they put them in this sleeve. Let me see if I can show you. So they package the water bottles in this sleeve, and they put it, normally they just put this in the middle of the box, but now they've also added water bottles on the side. So every corner of the box has a water bottle, and the middle has a water bottle too. Some more broccoli. Wow, lots of broccoli. We're gonna be eating a lot of broccoli. I think I have to change my Misfits order because I had put broccoli on that. But if Colin has to eat all this broccoli now, there's no way he's gonna eat that broccoli too. Lemons. This is amazing because for some reason, Misfits has not had lemons. And I wish I got more than 4. But 4 lemons, and these look really good. Wow, another mango. Huh. This is like the same mango we got last time. So what is this then? Oh, you know what? I'm a dummy. These are giant avocados. These are avocados. Oh my goodness. Check out these avocados. They're huge. And I have never seen an avocado like this before. Holy avocado. Check out my avocados. I am a crazy vegetable lady. Do you guys think I'm a crazy vegetable lady? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Oh my goodness. So, mango, avocado, mango, avocado. Interesting. Okay, so we've got a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. We have so much broccoli. There's a lot of stuff here. There is a whole lot of broccoli. Now, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna make from this. So let me show you guys what this looks like. So, we have our avocados, not mangoes. These are avocados. And we have our calabaza. We have our mango, 4 lemons, 2 tomatoes, and 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches of broccoli, romaine lettuce, and basil. Now, in reality, I probably wouldn't buy things like this giant avocados, this calabaza, or this mango. I probably would not buy things like that at the store. I would buy mostly this sort of stuff. I mean, it's interesting to get these crazy vegetables that I wouldn't normally buy. And I will use the avocados for guacamole, definitely. Now that I have those giant avocados. I'm such a dummy. Why did I think that was a mango? Oh, see, I'm from New Jersey. I'm not from Florida or anywhere remotely tropical. Anyway, what do you guys think? This is what we've got. What do you think? Is it worth what I paid for it? Would you order from Worthy Flavors? What do you like about Worthy Flavors? What I like about them is I never know what I'm gonna get. And what I like to do is figure out what I'm gonna cook with what they send me. But I'm sure that might disturb some people where they want to know what they're getting so that they can figure out what they're making. But I like just figuring it out. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friend if they want to save some money on their organic vegetables. And you know what? Just post it to your social media too. What the heck? And remember, I made you guys that plant-based cookbook because so many of you asked me, what do I do with all these vegetables? People are like, you don't possibly eat all these vegetables. No, really, we do. These are our groceries. This is what we eat for the week. When you see me get these things, it's not just an unboxing for YouTube. This is actually what we eat. If you want to know the kinds of things I make with all the vegetables, right on my website, amyvricka.com/freebies, there's a plant-based cookbook there. And I took the time and I made it for you guys. It's completely free. There's no catch. Just go over there to my website and get that cookbook. In case you want to try these produce services and you don't know what to do with all the vegetables that you get. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week, and at least one, sometimes more, is an unboxing. So if you like watching me unbox vegetables and grass-fed meat and wild-caught seafood and various other things from time to time, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking and happy eating. I will see you real soon. Bye.